What up, guys? Great to see you. I missed all of your smiling faces, man. Let me tell you, wow, man, it's been a very busy month. Well, actually 3 weeks out of that month. I got all the orders out, a big storm, and that's why I couldn't be able to post no videos. And then the last week, I just wanted to relax and spend it with the family. What a great time, man. What a great time. And now, let me get ready and getting back on the grind, especially YouTube videos, which I miss because I miss hanging with you guys and going through the comments and talking. Love it, but I wanna give a big thanks to all you subscribers that just subscribed in the last month. Wow, man, wanna thank you for subscribing. I'm gonna be putting some real nice content. So today is the first day of starting, and we're gonna be talking about something I haven't really done. And we're gonna be talking about how to print the metallic foil with a heat press, without a heat press, and just little things you could do with the foil that's gonna step up your print game and you could show these clients. So right now, let me just go back and do what I usually do. And good day to you, and how you be, everybody? Jan Agosto here, and welcome to Taino Inc. So right now, let's get ready. Got some foils, but first I gotta go expose this screen, get it ready, and let's start talking about the 4 ways you could use your metallic foil to print some shirts. So let's do this. Oh, by the way, I've been trying the new Ryanet's base layer complete emulsion system, the green one. Pretty good. I already have done about 6 screens on it. Really like it. But the first 3, I noticed that this emulsion is thicker than the SVP Hybrid HD that I used to get. So instead of me going and passing 2 quotes on each side of the screen, I'm only doing one side and one side. And then it started really coming out, washing off much easier than when I did 2 and 2. It took a little time. I thought it was my exposure unit, but no. Give it only 1 and 1 because it's kind of thick emulsion, man. But I want to thank Ryanet for sending me this and trying it out. I like it. And real quick, I went and I just got a whole gallon of it. And now I'm going to be using this one. So thank you, Ryanet. But now, let's get to work. Alright, while this baby dries up, I want to sell you something. This video is sponsored by Printavo. Printavo is a management cloud-based software. Printavo will help you manage orders, handle scheduling, automation, and online stores. Regardless if you are a small or a big print shop, Printavo will help you streamline your business. One thing I just put Printavo was on the test last month with so many orders. It was so easy. Wifey in the house, so she didn't have to keep calling me and telling me this. Check the email, and the email, you get so many emails, you get lost. Here, you know what you're gonna do today. You know what artist approved. You know who accepted the quote. You know who made the payments and what order is next. And that's one thing I like about Printavo. So if you're interested, go to printavo.com. And Printavo is having a 50% off the first month by just using the promo code Taino. That's a pretty good deal. So if you're interested, go to printavo.com, and I want to give a big thanks to Printavo for sponsoring today's video. Now, let's go check that screen. All right, screen printing metallic foil on shirts is very, very simple, man. You don't got to go crazy with it. These are the foils that I get. I get them from Ryanet, real good foils. I have gotten other little cheap ass foils and it was horrible. If you're gonna do a foil, get top of the line and get the big rolls. Don't be getting these little small little things. You're gonna run out of it and then you're stuck. Just make sure you always have them there and you're always ready for any order that comes through. The other thing you're gonna need is the Wilflex Epic HD Clear 2. This is like a glue adhesive, clear base. You don't even see it. And you're gonna use the same thing as you printing a plastisol ink. What I recommend is use a 110. There's people that use a 156, but use the 110. you want to deposit enough for the foil to stick, but you don't want to deposit too much that then your detail starts, squishing out. You don't want to put too much of it. You don't want to put too little of it. You want to make sure it's enough to grab. So when you're doing the regular foil, where the whole image is a foil, the first step I'm gonna show you, one of the main way that you use, a lot of people use the foil, is you're gonna screen print, you're gonna put that glue adhesive, you're gonna take it to the conveyor dryer, and you're gonna cure that. And once you cure it, you're gonna take it to the heat press, and you're gonna want that heat press from 355 to 375, depending on your heat, and a lot of pressure. And once you take it out of the heat press, you're gonna wanna let that foil cool down, because of cold peel. You wanna let it cool down, and then when you're gonna rip it real fast, like taking off a Band-Aid. Fast, and you're gonna have the metallic. That's one of the ways that you could do it, and that way we're just gonna right now try it so you could see that way. So right now, let's go do some foil printing. Check it out. Nice. See the metallic? That's just one way, the main way people do foils. You don't need no Teflon sheet on top of the foil. Keep it at 330 at 12 seconds, and you're gonna be able to put foil and let it cool down. I put a little shirt just so you could absorb the heat faster and pull. So now, let me show you the second way you could do this over here. All right, this is the distressed look. You see it? You could use that style too. Just tap it, wrinkle the paper inside out, and just make sure that you tapping it hard, right? Coming right off the flasher, tap it, and then you go as much as you want. If you wanna add more to it and it's not sticking, just come back, use the same screen, pass another of that gel, and put it over, flash it again, and keep tapping it to you decide how much with it, but that's called the distressed look right here. People like it, believe me, this is something different. Let's go to the third way you could use these foils. All right, check it out. Look at it right here, nice. You have the silver, gold, and the red foil all in one, tapping it. You get that nice look, and you could come with different colors. I just went crazy using the 3 foils I have, but you're the one that creating the design. You could give them something like this, and it works beautiful. The best thing you also could do is you could use this and use the regular plastisol. Let's say I just want to put the silver, and then at the end just tap a little bit of the silver thing so it could have that little extra shine in some parts of the design. Beautiful. You could do it with gold, you could even do it with any color as long as you have that foil that is that color. Right now I want to put red, let's say, just after the flash, just tap a little bit of that red and take it to a conveyor dryer, and it'll look nice. Those are being creative with ways, but look at that. That looks pretty cool, pretty cool. Now the other one, the fourth and final one, has to do if you don't have the Epic HD Clear 2. If you don't have this, you could use any plastisol you want. So let's say I got a black shirt, I could come and use a black ink, put the black ink on, then from there on, just don't even flash it, don't even take it to the conveyor dryer, take it straight to the heat press, put the foil on it, take it out, and you will see how nice it looks. Let me show you. All right, check it out. Look how nice. Very close. Check out the detail. On just a regular black plastisol ink. Yep, no excuse. You could get all that done. That's the beauty of it. Like I said before, if I want to use that gold or metallic ink, I could do the same way. Leave it all wet, bring it here and put that there so it could look much better, because foil it tend not to last that long, so when it starts already breaking down, under it is the gold color, so it will last you longer. The distress with all the different foils, you could do that. You could do one at a time, flash it, come back, put in more adhesive on it, and there's so many ways you can play around with the foil. That's awesome, man. So if you like this video, press that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Be thankful always, be grateful always, and just let God take you on the ride. Peace out.